Hi, I'm Maria Barina, and I've been noticing that people who shoot their video are shooting their videos this way. When you shoot your videos this way and you download them in YouTube, you're going to have blanks on the edge of your things. If you don't want that, then you should shoot your videos this way. When you shoot your videos this way, you catch all the surroundings. And then you wind up getting assholes like this that keep jumping around and making funny things. See, you can get your surroundings that way. Now, seriously, you get Monkey Boy shooting up and down. He always interrupts me when I do my video, but that's okay. You get a laugh out of it. But seriously, folks, shoot your videos this way, like this, and you're going to have blank sides. Or if you know how, you can edit it and put photos on the side. But most videos, if you want, you can catch your whole surroundings by shooting it this way. I hope that tip helps you out, and I hope Monkey Boy made you laugh. Speak to you later. Peace.